Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. We have seen lists, okay, two types of list, ordered list and unordered list. In this video we'll be seeing nested list, how to write the lists in between one type of list in another type of list. So let us see how to write it. Here I am taking one ordered list of type A, that is the sequence will be written in the form of ABC and the list name is fruits and vegetables. Now in this I am having two items, okay, that is list items. One is vegetables and another one is fruits, in which vegetables is an ordered list and fruits is an unordered list. So what are the members of list items of the ordered list are, we are having four members, okay, spinach, cabbage, capsicum and carrot. And another list is fruits list, that is a sub list in the list of ordered list which is fruits and vegetables, and that is fruits, and we are having here four members: apple, sapota, lychee and last one is grapes. So for each list we are opening a tag and closing the tag, okay, and each list is an list item of the main list, that is ordered list of type A. Now let us see the output in the browser. So see, the list tutorial is written in h1 tag. Then fruits and vegetables is the ordered list. A part and B part, as I mentioned here, type A, it will be displayed in the form of AB. Then vegetables is a ordered list and fruits is an unordered list. So this was about the nested list. Hope to see you in upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe the channel. Thank you.